Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily change your background on Webex. So first, you may want to launch your Webex app and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once logged in, head over and start joining a meeting. Here you see a preview window where you can customize your audio and video settings before fully joining the meeting. And for you to be able to change your background, just click on the down or drop down button beside stop video. So click on it, and here you can see various video options. Just click on the various background designs available that you can use. You can always change it to none or simply blur your background. Here you can also add your own background. Just click on this button and select your design background from your gallery. Open it. So just make sure that the file or format is supported. And just by that, you can use it as a background on your WebEx meeting. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!